Hello everybody, this is Khurram here from Power of BI. So today we are looking at a very interesting topic, which is comparing the Power BI application functionality between Android and iOS. So as you can see, I have iPhone 6s Plus here, and on the other side I have the OnePlus 3. We will do a comparison between the functionalities on both the operating systems. But prior to that, let's make sure that we have the latest and greatest versions of both these systems. On the iOS side, if I tap on settings and under general, if I go to about and scroll down, under version you can see I have 9.3.2, which is the latest version commercially available. While on the Android side, this is the OnePlus 3. If I go to settings and scroll down to about, you can see here it says 6.0.1, which also is the latest commercially available operating system from Android. So now let's get started with the Power BI application. I have the shortcut available on my home screen on iPhone as well as on my OnePlus 3. So let's open both of them together. Before we open any sample dashboards, let me make them both into landscape mode. So before we open any sample dashboards, let's have a look at the settings that are available on both the phones, both the operating systems. So on the Android side, you can see notifications, my workspace, QR scanner. So that QR scanner is called just scanner on the iOS side. Then we have some samples and settings. So under settings, what do we see? Just the layout seems to be different, but everything seems to be similar, right? So let's go back and let's go back from here. Let's try and open a sample report. I will try and open a Power BI sample report from Power BI samples here. So I'll go to Power BI samples on the iPhone as well as Power BI samples here. Now the next thing that I want to do is open up one of the reports. The first report that I can see here is VP sales. Likewise, I'll open the VP sales here. So as you can see, both are rendering similarly. I don't see anything different at the face value, but let's open one of the at face value. Both seem to be the same. Let's open one of the tiles and see what difference can we find out. So let me try and open this tile here, and I'll open the same tile there. Things do look different now. So on the iOS side, you can see the share button, the alerts button, and then this button with the graph which says something about drill down. While on the Android side, you can only see a share button. So once we tap on the share button, we can see some functionality pop-ups here. So we can see a delete button, and then the microphone. There is a button to write text, put a smiley, and then there is this button to write. While done. While on the iOS side, the share button gives us same options except for the microphone. So which comes out clearly that one of the functionalities that is available on the Android side and is not available in iOS is the microphone. So which means that if I want to talk about one of the measures in my graph, I can tap on this voice note button and record my voice and send it to the person whom I want to get the message across to. While on the iOS side, it does not seem to be possible as of now. Let's see if we can find more differences. So I'll tap on cancel here and back here, and I can see this alert button here, which is not available on the other side. So alert means if my threshold is crossed or is not crossed for some reason, basis the alerts that I set at powerbi.com, I will be able to see some notifications here. While that functionality does not seem to be ported as of now to the Android version. And then there is this option of drill downs, which does not seem to be available on Android also. Apart from that, the charts, this chart does not seem to be interactive, so let's try and open a different chart. Let's try and open this pie chart. Let's see the interactivity. More or less similar. So apart from that, I don't think there is more difference. We tap on this menu button, we tap on the menu button here. So the last difference that I wanted to talk about is exactly this. So to your tiles you can add a picture, but here on the Android side you don't see that available. So this is a mix and match of features, small ones, minute ones if I may say, available on one of the platform but not available on the other platform. So both are running the latest versions, but there seem to be some loss of functionality on either side. So that is something that I wanted to share with you. So that was a quick demo on the Android and iOS application of Power BI. So thank you everybody for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy it. Here's waiting for the next video. Thank you again. Cheers.